Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect your SONY KD-43X TV to the mobile hotspot. First of all, you're gonna have to set up a mobile hotspot on your smartphone. If you're using an Android device, then open settings on it and then go to network and internet. Then open hotspot and tethering. Enable Wi-Fi hotspot by switching this toggle to the right. Now if you open it, you'll be able to check the security type and change it, the hotspot password and the name for it, also the speed and compatibility. So if you select 2.4 and 5 gigahertz, it will increase compatibility with your TV. I don't think that 6 gigahertz is something that your TV can even connect to, so change it to 2.4 and 5 gigahertz, and yeah, after that your hotspot will be reachable for your TV. Now if you're using an iPhone, then you just have to swipe down the control center on your phone, and here you'll be able to find the portable hotspot option. If you tap on this icon, you'll enable portable hotspot. Then go to settings on your iPhone, go to personal hotspot, make sure that you allowed others to join. You can also check your hotspot password right here and make sure that you switch this toggle to the right to maximize compatibility so that you can surely connect to this hotspot with your TV. Now on your TV, grab your remote control and then press settings button, go to all settings menu and then go to network and internet. Then let's find the available networks, and here we have the Android and the iPhone networks that we just created. So if you want to connect to one of them, you just have to select the device that you want to connect to and then enter the password to it using your D-pad arrow keys to navigate on this on-screen keyboard, and a central button on your D-pad to select a character or a digit basically. And once the password is entered, click OK to confirm and wait until you are connected to this mobile hotspot. It's gonna take a moment to think. And once you see connected successfully, that means that your device is connected to the Wi-Fi network. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.